Welcome to Riverwalk on the Elizabeth River. Riverwalk is a premier neighborhood community in Chesapeake, Virginia. Conveniently located off of Great Bridge Boulevard, Riverwalk is just minutes away from access to I-64, Dominion Boulevard, and I-464. With close proximity to shopping, schools, medical services, and community activities, Riverwalk is an ideal family neighborhood for Virginia residents pursuing quiet residential living with a warm neighborhood feel. Riverwalk has an active community association, availing homeowners access to scenic walking trails, neighborhood water features, impeccably maintained landscapes, sidewalks throughout, and riverfront and riverview homes. Homeowners enjoy access to the River Club Clubhouse, community swimming pool, and a community-only access boat ramp and launch right on the neighborhood's edge. Old-growth pine and oak trees, along with beautifully maintained roads and homes, welcome residents home to a safe, peaceful neighborhood where community and family matter to everyone. Plenty of greenbelt and lush marsh areas attract a host of birds and appeal to photographers and bird enthusiasts alike. If you are interested in Riverwalk or any other Hampton Roads community, please contact Karl Kuehner of Keller Williams Greenbrier Realty. He is easily reached on the web at hamptonroadspremierproperties.com or by phone at 757-880-7891.